Hey there, the team over at DEXI sent over this bath mat for me to test and try out. So far, I think it's a pretty good product. This is what I really like about it. Here's an up-close look at the fibers. They are super soft. I felt that when getting out of the shower, I feel that I got good absorption onto the mat and it didn't go through onto the floor because of the backing. So there was no sliding when I stepped out of the shower onto the mat. This backing kept everything in place. It's got a little bit of a design on it, which is nice with just the blocks and all that. This fits perfectly in front of my shower. This is the 20 by 30 inch size mat. It is machine washable, and from what I can tell, the stitching looks pretty good on it. I'm not seeing any loose stitches here on the bottom side. And then along here where the two fabrics meet, I'm also not seeing any missed stitching there. So I think it's gonna hold up well. It does suggest when machine washing though, to put it in a laundry bag and to only wash it on cold. I showered about 3 hours ago and then hung it up over the shower door. And as far as I can tell, it's mostly dry already. I don't feel that this is soaked. And then, like I said, it's only been about 3 hours since I showered. Guys, if you're looking for a new bath mat, I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good option for you.